In 2007, UPS made a big splash by ordering 10 Airbus A380 freighters, hoping to give its cargo fleet a serious upgrade. But things didn't go as planned, and the order ended up getting cancelled. The main culprits? Ongoing production delays and Airbus's choice to focus more on the passenger version of the A380. The A380, famous for its massive size and cargo capacity, was supposed to be a game changer for UPS. Unfortunately, the production ran into some hiccups like software issues and problems with the assembly process, which caused significant delays. To make matters worse, Airbus decided to prioritize the passenger variant, believing it was more crucial for their business. Faced with these challenges, UPS decided to look for other ways to meet its cargo needs. This situation really highlights how complicated aircraft manufacturing can be and how strategic business decisions can affect large orders. While cancelling the order was a disappointment for UPS, it also served as a reminder of the ever-changing landscape of the aviation industry and the importance of being flexible in logistics planning. UPS is still dedicated to exploring new options to enhance its fleet and ensure it continues to provide reliable service to its customers.